On February 26, Jack Dorsey announced that Block, the software company behind Square, Cash App, and Afterpay, would cut over 4,000 of its employees. This is going from 10,200 to about 6,000 employees. Crazy. As if this was not enough, Atlassian, software company behind Confluence, Trello, and Jira, also announced to be cutting down its employee workforce by about 1,600 employees. That is about 10% of its total workforce. The layoff globally is just insane. It's outrageous. But why is nobody talking about this man? Now, I'll tell you about him in a couple of seconds. We've seen how AI is disrupting every digital skill, from software engineering to design to therapy to counseling. A lot of people use AI for that right now, to copywriting, to video editing, to content creation, to social media management, whatever digital skills you can think of, there's one AI agent or the other. In fact, what struck me the most this year was looking at why combinators request for startups. Some of the startups that are requesting for are businesses that are building AI tools for physical workers. It could be anything that you can wear as a physical worker, and AI can view and read your environment and also perceive your environment and tell you what to do, how to solve the situation, or how to fix whatever issue, from handyman work to construction work. So we can see that AI is already creeping into every area of life, from digital skills to now physical skills. We would see AI disrupting these spaces, and the result of that is layoffs, and this has an impact on this man. You can consider this man to be our identity. What is our identity in the age of AI? SG Magazine estimated about 85 million jobs will be lost in 2027. But the good side is that it also estimated that 170 million jobs will be created by AI in 2030. But the sad part is that a lot of people would not be able to live through these layoffs to the point where they can get those jobs that will be created by AI. And why is that? Psychologists have discovered a new disorder called AI-induced learned helplessness, or AI replacement dysfunction. This is a state of mind or a disorder that is caused by, detachment, replacement by AI. You lose your job, you got laid off, or you're even on your job, but AI is doing most of the tasks for you, and you're feeling, what else? What else am I supposed to be doing? One of the approaches that psychologists are finding could be very effective to treating this kind of disorder is something called decoupling. This is really about decoupling your identity, the idea of your identity, from societal or economic output. This means that decouple your identity from your job. So this is just a wake-up call to decouple your identity from your work. Your identity and your skills are two different things. As much as we're preparing for the future of work, you also need to prepare the future of your identity in the era and age of AI.